Good evening students. Today we will continue worksheet 1. This is based on definitions of fractional number. Day before yesterday we have seen definition of fractional numbers. Today question is based on that. Worksheet 1 question number 1. It is given encircle the fraction in its lowest term. So lowest term means that question which is in the lowest form not divisible by any other common number. Suppose you can see here worksheet 1 question number 1 a 2 upon 5 4 upon 10 8 upon 20 and 6 upon 15. It is given we have to encircle the in which is in the lowest term. So these you can see both are divisible by 2 table. These are also divisible by 2 or 4 table. These are divisible by 3 table. So this is 2 and 5 such a number which is not divisible by any common number. So this is our answer. This is in lowest term. Lowest term means which is not divisible by common table. Lowest term. Solution number 2. It is asking tick those fractions which are in the lowest term. So you can see 6 upon 10 not in lowest term because both are divisible by 2 table. 1 upon 8 yes, both are not divisible by any common table. So 1 upon 8 is yes. 13 upon 15 yes because both are not divisible by any common table. 21 upon 15 these both are divisible by 3 tables. So this we will not put tick. 5 upon 32 both are not divisible by any common table. So this is also correct. 5 upon 8 correct. 81 upon 90 both are divisible by 9 tables. So this we will not put tick correct. Now question number 3. Reduce into lowest term. So solution number 3. We have to reduce into lowest term. Lowest term. A. 9 upon 12. How we can reduce into lowest term? So first of all we will think that both are divisible by which common table. So both are divisible by 3 table. So both will divide by 3. So this will come 3 upon 4. So now both are not divisible by any common table. So this is our answer. You see one more example. For example, we are taking E 28 upon 56. So 28 upon 56 this is divisible by both will divide by common table if possible then. So you think this comes under the table of 2 also, 4 also and 7 also. So by any common table you divide. Suppose for example I am dividing by 7. So what will come? 7 4 and this also divided by 7 7 8 Again think 4 upon 8 is the lowest term or we can divide it. Yes, we can divide it. We can divide this by 2 table. So divided by this 2 and this is divisible by this then 4. Can we divide more? Yes, we can divide it by once again 2 1 upon 2. So this is the answer. So like this way we will divide up till when it is not in the lowest term. So your homework is worksheet 1 question number 1 and 2. This given question 3 only solve in notebook. Question number 3 in notebook. Only one question solve. Okay, thank you.